So, considering that when you started off your actuarial career, you have taken a very non-traditional approach. Typically, actuaries, I still think that a lot of people think that it's still related to insurance. Uh, how has been your and what should be your advice to people who are, let's say, starting their journeys right now in the actuarial profession in terms of the non-traditional areas like the ones you are in?
So, I think my advice would be, I mean, firstly, of course, would just want to like very categorically break the myth that there is nothing like actuaries can't work outside insurance. There are several actuaries working in areas outside insurance, me being one very small example. But other than me, there are several more people who are doing wonderful work outside insurance. People are working in climate change. People are working in telecommunication companies. Actuaries are working in transportation companies like Uber, Amazon, Flipkart, helping with their data analytics and their machine learning work. So there's crazy amount of opportunity out there. My only advice to I think all actuarial professionals would be that, I mean, of course, it's very, very prestigious to have the actuarial tag or the actuarial tagging on your CV, and it's very good to be a part of the actuarial profession. Having said that, we need to respect that there are other professions out there in the world as well that bring in or have different capabilities or skill sets as well. I think there are a few areas that we as actuaries need to become a little bit more proactive on, because when we go out and work in these non-traditional areas, we are going to be competing directly against these other professions who are maybe better at a few things than we are not at. While we may be great at doing a lot of modeling and a lot of functional analysis, I don't think we are that good at technology. And I think that's one area where I would say we need to really, really pick our game up, because technology is going to be embedded in everything that we do in the future. Learn to code, whether it's something as simple as R, Python, or something more complex as C++. Do it. It's fun. And secondly, you will reap its benefits in the longer term. I think one of the important thing that I would say to all aspiring non-traditional actuaries is that whenever you're going out there, don't be afraid. You might think that there's no one around like you and you're alone in your particular journey. Maybe, but it always so happens that when you're doing something which is different from what most of the people are doing, you will find it to be more rewarding in the longer term than the others do. And for those reasons, I would say that whenever you're going out, like network with a lot of people, go for conferences, go for seminars, speak to people, understand what all areas can actuaries work in other than insurance. And whenever you're approaching someone to work in such areas, don't go on with the fact and say that I'm an actuary, please hire me, right? It doesn't work that way. I think what needs to be said, or the messaging that needs to be probably said, is that these are the skills that I have and this is how I can help you, right? So rather than saying that I'm an actuary and that is my professional tag and hence you should hire me, I think the idea should be that, okay, I know Python, I know R, I know statistics, I know mathematics. These are generic terms that are actual skills, right? And while a profession brings all of them together, people in a non-traditional industry might not understand what an actuary means. And hence we need to explain them through what skills we have first. And once they've understood what skills we had, then you can explain them later that, oh, by the way, I did actuarial science wherein I learned all these skills, right? So I think that's the process or the thought process that I would strongly recommend all people who are looking out to venture out into the non-traditional space. And yeah, I think don't be afraid to get out there. I think there is tremendous amount of opportunities, and you will be completely surprised to see the amount of application that your course material or study material has beyond insurance. Yeah.